We're shooting on the border of Utah and Arizona. It's so beautiful here. I had no idea what this place was like, and it's really fascinating.
The location's great for pictures.
Oh, it's beautiful.
It's like otherworldly.
We're on the moon. Isn't that great? The first shot on the moon.
Awesome right there. Beautiful.
It's cool. It's beautiful. Look around.
What kind of position were you thinking of, Sugar Pie?
We're in the desert.
Make what? Owl.
No fear! This year I'd shot with girls that I'd worked with before,
This isn't even the real me.
so I knew that I could try to push them a little bit more. That's beautiful. It's perfect position. Everything's perfect. Squeeze them together just a little bit more then.
Squeeze what together?
You are really gorgeous, Anderson. Awesome, right there. That's it right there. Don't move, that's it. I want to do more topless or nude shots, and the only way you can do that is if the girls are comfortable and feel that everyone on the crew makes them feel safe and comfortable too. And can you spread that thing out a little further? Beautiful right there.
We did a really special shot yesterday.
Here you go, Lou. That's beautiful. Makeup looks great. Everything's beautiful.
Jeff, he had an idea about bringing some glitter.
This picture for the Oscars is going to inspire a lot of people.
So we did some glitter on Mae Anderson.
Some people could just accuse us of just trying to gratuitously get Mae naked.
But that was very fun because we don't usually get to do such wild stuff. It was very special. And so we're all now covered.
Pull down a little lower. Bend this elbow just a tiny bit. Move your hand over that way a tiny bit. Up again with the butt. Pull it maybe out. Chin down just a little bit. A little bit more. A little bit more. A little bit more. A little bit more. Here, pretend you're dancing. Chris, can you pull it away just a little bit more? A little bit that way. Okay, and Chris, I'm going to try to hide your hand with her feet, okay?
I'm let go for a second if you need me.
No, that's cool. Right there? Perfect. Great.
It's different dynamic on these shoots than pretty much anything else, you know. You just kind of lose yourself in it.
Okay, here we go.
Really awesome crews like what we have and really awesome girls, they're gonna, you know, appreciate it for what it is and do what they need to do to take the best pictures.
Let's do it.
You're losing the light behind him.
The light is beautiful. Quick, we got the sunstone there right there. Let's kill her like that. Oh, get her. Oh, quick. Okay, this is great. Quick. 1, 2, 3. Beautiful there. Head back a little bit more. Right there. Yeah. Oh, that's nice. Great. That's great. Don't move. Try and hit it. Yeah. That's sexy.
Go to Lake Powell. Hopefully people will when they see how beautiful.
It seems as if you could just explore this place for a long time and never see all